It is one of the most representative traditional fermented foods in Korea. It is mainly made of cabbages, radishes, and various spices. The basic ingredients of kimchi are salted cabbages, chili powder, garlic, ginger, green onions, and salted anchovies, which are characterized by their combined flavor and aroma. Kimchi develops its flavor through the fermentation process, and its flavor and aroma vary depending on the fermentation period. Kimchi is not just a side dish, but it is also intimately connected to the Korean eating culture. The winter kimjang culture is a traditional event where family members gather to make large amounts of kimchi. It is also used as a base material for a variety of Korean dishes, including kimchi stew, kimchi fried rice, and kimchi pancakes. Bokkeummyeon is an instant noodle that boasts of extreme spicy flavor, which was born in Korea. So what is the secret of the hot taste? The spicy taste of the spicy chicken noodle comes from a specially developed gochujang-based sauce. Beyond being simple, the sauce is gaining huge popularity among people who enjoy spicy food, in harmony with its deep flavor and rich seasoning. Bokkeummyeon's challenge has become popular all over the world. As many people took on the challenge to experience the extreme spiciness and shared the process on social media, the hot chicken noodles have become a cultural phenomenon beyond just food. However, spicy chicken noodles can be too spicy to just eat. Here are some tips on how to enjoy it. For example, adding cheese, eggs, and vegetables can alleviate the spiciness a little and balance the different flavors. Bokkeummyeon, this traditional Korean dish, is loved by many for its combination of meat tenderness and fresh vegetables. Boiled pork, the main ingredient in bokkeummyeon, offers high-quality protein and can be a healthy eating option if consumed correctly. Pork is an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle health and weight management. Also, it is high in vitamins B1 and B6, which promotes metabolism and helps maintain energy levels. Bokkeummyeon is accompanied by a variety of side dishes such as dried radish kimchi and pickled radish, which provide dietary fiber and minerals, which play an important role in balancing healthy eating.